What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. Now we know that the new iPhone is not going to include any type of charging solution. The company Anker has actually been gracious enough to send over this care package so that I can open this up with you guys just to see what they have in store. So just to get a quick take on this, if you look at the box, new iPhone fast charging essentials. Sick of slow charging? Get ready for mind-blowing speed. So let's get this package open and let's check it out.
Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
So in the box, we actually have two devices. This first one is the Anker Powerport III Nano. Very small, very pocketable, has USB Type-C, and it will fast charge any of your iPhone devices. Also, any of your USB Type-C fast charge devices. So this doesn't have to be strictly held to the iPhone standard, but it can be used with the actual Samsung phones as well as Android for any other Android phone. But specifically, USB Type-C to Lightning, which you get this cable in the box also. This is the Powerline 3. So you get about 10 feet of cable here, braided cord, very strong, very tough, very durable, but USB Type-C on one side and Lightning on the other for those iPhone devices. And over here you get a 60-watt charger. This is the Powerport 3 60-watt. Now up here you get two USB Type-C chargers. Perfect for on the go. You're going to be able to put this in basically any bag. It's very lightweight. It's a little bit smaller than the MacBook charger. So not only are these items going to be good with your new iPhone, but they're also going to pair well with the new iPad. This one is the 4th generation right here. And it's going to also be a good fit for these devices. The 20-watt charger as well as the 60-watt charger that we have right here. And the iPad is going to take advantage of that brand new USB Type-C so that you can actually take advantage of the USB Type-C to C cable that comes in the packaging for the 60-watt charger. So it's a great package to pick up. I'll drop links below to both of these so you can check them out for yourself. But this is another great way that you can use these two devices with any of your other Apple products. But this can charge your MacBooks, it can charge your iPads, it can charge your iPhones, it can charge your Samsung devices, it can charge your Android devices. The list goes on and on. Two USB, two devices at once, 60 watts total. You can't go wrong because this is going to be one of the best solutions to any of your devices that you have. So not everybody's going to go out and buy the mag chargers, just keep that in mind, but you can pick up any of these chargers reasonably priced. If you don't have any just laying around the house, you can check these out. I'm going to be sure and drop links below so you can do that. Until next time though, please be sure and continue to give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.